Hi, my name is Amrita. We just got a new car and we thought of getting it done with detailing bull. We came to know about this via YouTube and our experience here has been amazing. Achal has been extremely helpful and he's been so thorough with explaining us about this PPF that we wanted to get done. He's explained it to us numerous times and my husband had 1,000 questions, I believe, and he's been extremely patient in answering all the questions and been very sweet throughout. Like I said, it's a new car, but after the PPF, it is more shinier and glossier. We are totally in love with their service and how the car looks. I highly recommend you get your new car, or you have an old car, just get it to Detailing Bull, and I'm sure you'll be amazingly surprised with their service and the product later. Thank you.